Guys, paano na kayo? Papunta na kami sa Big Four kung saan kami mag-stay for 3 days. Time check is 5:10. Umalis kami ng Mount Gambier 7:30. So we done golf shopping, groceries, dito na sa Geelong. So now, punta na tayo sa Big Four. So, hi daw. Nag-hi si Holly. What did you say, Zach, before? You didn't walk? Hindi siya inantok. Yes, kuya.
At Macon, it's only like 4:46.
Yeah. Iba kasi yung yung time sa South Australia tsaka dito sa Victoria. What's that, Holly? Oh, she wanna say hi. Okay, hi. So, yun. Hi daw. So, 30 minutes different dito sa Victoria tsaka doon sa South Australia. So, yeah. See that one?
Just go on to them first. Just
So,
go
ito
on
ang
to them first.
itsura niya sa labas, guys.
There's a pool.
Where? Ayan, yung playground.
Daddy,
Where are you going,
What's
bud?
up, Papa?
Daddy.
Where are you going?
Stay in the car. I'm going to check in.
Big Four, here we are. Ayan.
Dad, pool. Dad, it says pool.
Just wait, kuya. We have to put our code first.
9.
Up! Ta-da!
Now, what's that?
Watch out for that bag.
Right, so we've got to go down
Where?
Queen's Parade. Turn right and left.
Oh, shoot.
That's
Nahanap
St.
na namin
Leonard's.
yung aming
That's cool. They were gonna.
mini house.
I love that machine.
Tingnan mo yung mga bata. Excited na sila. Look, hey Zach, are you so
Oh,
excited?
you got a buggy.
That's not, it can't be that one. It's got to
What
be.
number ba?
Dad, what?
Ayan yung mga unit, guys, dito sa Big Four.
It's Queen's Parade. It must be the next one up here.
This is, no. Not this one.
Dad, we're upstairs. So
Not much people, I think, back today.
Yeah,
Dad,
It's
if
not
we're
holiday,
upstairs,
kaya-
I want stairs.
Pag holiday, guys, puno lagi ang mga ganitong,
Look at the flying fox.
itong Big Four.
Look, flying fox.
Ngayon, hindi naman holiday. Here, babe!
Yeah.
Ayan, Queen's Cliff. What number?
Up the end.
Why up the
We're
end?
straight across from each other. They're
Oh, are
they're
we?
here.
Oh, that's good. So we can see each other. Waving each other. I hope it's close to the kitchen, babe.
What kitchen?
Like, where's the
So
barbecue?
you got a little one there. The barbecue thing's here,
Where? Ah, that one.
so we can come down.
Dito kami,
See
ma.
how they always put everyone in the.
Ayan, pwede ka magdala ng caravan. Diyan kayo mag-set up. Or
Why
kaya
at the
tent.
end?
Tapos yan yung...
That's where you cook.
Yeah, that's where
So
we're
we're
gonna
just
cook.
here
Where?
on the end here.
Why?
But it's swimming
All the
pool.
way here.
It's way back over there, is that?
No, it's just there.
Nah, it was over there. I seen pool.
This one,
Which one?
190, 184
That is.
on the end. Perfect.
Sa pinakadulo kami, guys.
Ain't
Doon
joking,
kami
hit
sa...
golf balls out here.
What you know what?
You have to be careful. Ayan, guys. This is our mini house. Oh, which one, Han? Oh, this one. Kila, ano pala yung kila Sophie.
Dad, can we ever hit it? Then we
This one or that one, Beb?
This one.
Ah, okay. Yung pala, yung sa likod. Wow, nice. It's nice. Yan kila Sophie. Yung sa amin yung sa likod kanina. Ay. Ayan na siya. Holly, here! Go up! Baba, up! Up! Hold daddy. Ito guys yung aming mini house for 3 days.
little house, Baba.
Yeah, wait. I'm just gonna check our house. Ayan guys. Mag-room tour na tayo. Wow, ito yung aming dining. And this is our kitchen. Ayan, may ref. Ayan, may gatas na isa. And ito yung stove.
I just see what's in the fridge.
And
No bunk beds.
there's no bunk bed. Oh no. Ayan yung oven.
Groceries,
Yes.
help you please, TJ.
Yes, but wait. Tulungan ko siya yan. Ito yung aming cabinet. Microwave. May microwave siya. Ayan, may pa kape. Ito yung pantry. Ayan. Ah, basurahan yan guys. Oh. Hindi pala yan. Baka itong isa. Ito yung pantry. Ayan, yan yung mga baso. Tapos yan yung toaster. And may plancha, guys. Wow, ayan na yung boys. Wait.
Bread?
Maybe, yeah, put the bread there,
Now,
Baba.
but guess what? When the jumping.
And ano dito? Ayan yung mga cooking ware. Ayan, guys. So, etong mini house namin. Mas madaming ano. Ayan, dami. Oh, yan yung mga, ayan pa yung mga plato.
Wow.
Wow. Is it nice, Joe? Yeah, babe, wait. I know. Sabi niya, tulungan ko na siya. Sabi ko mamaya na kasi house tour ko muna kayo.
Get perched right up the end.
May pa-TV.
That's good, we're not near it, but what,
May mga
everything
kaibigan
goes
na
up
siya,
there.
guys.
Well.
And this is our little couch. Ayan si Holly. Well done, Holly. Holly, this is like us. This is your table. Pero yung sa bahay. Yes. Wow, that's us. Tapos may ano pa sila, guys. Frame. Look at that frame.
Ah, she's
It's
with
nice. I like it. Look at yung ano. Ito yung bedroom namin, guys. Ayan. Tingnan niyo yung ano, yung frame doon, guys. Chanel. Where's your bedroom, Zach? Show it. Where is your bed, boys? Ito yung bed nila. Where you gonna stay? That side?
I'm on this side.
That your side. Ayan, guys, ang view nila, oh. Tapos, ayan. Pwede ko ilagay dyan yung
We like your bed.
Yeah, I do like mine. And ito yung bathroom. So, ito yung shower. Ayan yung shower. So, may ano na sila, may towel.
Baba!
Ayan yung towel.
My little girl!
Toilet. And little vanity. Ayan, guys. Ayan, it's nice. Very nice. Malinis siya, guys. As in, Holly, come here. Don't touch the toilet. Come here. Help, Daddy. Come on.
Special dinner.
Thank you. Tapos, eto yung aming parang veranda. Di ba, guys? Ayan, ang cute. Tapos, ayun kila Sophie. There. Ayan, guys.
Hey, look, I tried in the old one.
Tulungan ko muna sila. Say hi! We're gonna help Daddy first. Come on. Okay, wait, Baba.
Ah, it's been in the shed for years. Stay there, bub.
Stay na, Baba. Yeah, I love it. It's nice. Holly, come on, Baba. Baba. Watch your seat.
Oh, we like it. Oh, we got to go in the pool. Do you like it? Look at the bathroom. Let me have it, please. Sounds like golly. Eat. Milk. Oh, this your milk. Yes. Yep. Is that Toby? Here.
Holly, you might fall, Holly.
I'll put this in the fridge. But I want to go up there. Come on. Hey.
No touching, Baba. Say hi. Yes, say hi. Yes, say hi.
I'm having to come hang with you. God knows.
Ha?
The room can't possibly just be had to start chucking this ball.
She's calling you. Oh, no, 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 you cannot fall. You cannot fall, Papa. Is it, open that.
Huh?
Is it nice?
Yeah.
You like it?
Hi. How you?
Yeah, because that's the colour I want. I always want. I want that little colour.
I know, is that the same, the old one, right?
Oh, it's nice and
What's
soft.
your name? Your name's what? Your name over here?
Hey, doing, Bubsy?
So yan, naipasok na namin lahat ng mga gamit namin. So ngayon, i-ano ko na siya, ilagay ko ba sa ano, sa ref yung mga grocery namin. Kasi, ito magiging bahay natin for 3 days. 3 nights and 4 days. So yeah, yung aming mga pinamili sa Woolies. Ayan, and sa Big W. So ayusin ko siya. Ayan, si Holly. Ayan, ayusin natin siya. Ah?
Jumping Jill is fun.
The jumping field is fun.
Yes.
Okay, Mommy's gonna put this away, okay? So you play outside first.
So I've got one of them in check. Sitting in that slide before you don't
Look what you started. The temperature's rising and how's that's gonna happen? Reminding where I thought I'd make a move.
Tapos ko na i-put away yung mga groceries. Tapos, ayan, may isang eggs kasi hindi na siya kasya sa ref. Ipakita ko yung laman ng ref namin, guys. Mag-stay kami dito na 3 nights and 4 days. So, eto yung laman ng ref. Ito yung eggs. 24 pieces siya, pero may basag na isa. Tapos, nandun yung isa. Okay yon. Tapos, eto yung drinks. Ayan, orange ka dyan. Moscato para sa akin. Then, breakfast smoothie para sa akin. And then, milk. Eto, libre to, guys. Nandito siya kanina. Tapos, ayan, tomato, sauce, Jan's drink and drinks. And, meron kaming bata. Yes! Andun si Holly. Hot damn, Baba! It's not apple, it's orange. So, yan. Eto, salad. Ayan. Iba-ibang klaseng salads. Cheese, tapos, yung couscous. Spicy daw siya. So, itatry ko. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. Then, butter.
Have you watched Holly?
And yeah.
Well, she's eaten 2 peaches.
Holly! Oh my God! What are you doing? OMG! Holly! Look at you!
Holly.
Guys, tinan mo.
Mom.
Linisan ko muna si Holly. Hey, you just had 1 apple. Nagutom ka ba? Hey! Dad. Linisan ko muna siya, guys. Hey, Mommy, need to wash it, Baba. Tingnan mo naman siya. Oh. Wait lang, guys. Linisan ko muna si Holly.
There you go, toast and warm.
Slowly, Kuya.
The bottom
Probably Olivia or what?
Yeah, I think so. Yes! Ayan, guys. Lininisan ko si Holly.
Ow.
Ayan na siya. Nakaupo. Okay. Eat your plum. Ayan. I-continue ko na yung ano ko sa inyo.
Because Mother's sweep it down, then we'll go and cook tea.
So yun, guys. Hindi natin natapos yung mini tour ko sa ref namin. Yung mga boys, yung mga bata, magsiswimming sila. Nandyan lang. Susunod na lang kami ni Holly mamaya. So, eto yung laman. Ano ba tayo? Donuts. Ayan yung burgers. Orange juice. Tapos eto yung barbecue pork. Then barbecue steak. And then eto yung steak. Ram steak para sa amin ni Jan. And drinks. Coffee ni Jan. So yan. Yan yung naman ng ref. At saka may dala akong wonton. Ayan. Wonton.
Come on.
Si Holly. Yung mga boys nag-swimming, si Holly na iwan sa akin. Mamaya susunod kami. Dito sa taas ng ref, mayroon kaming bread. Ayan, from Baker's Delight. Yung sliced bread, tapos bread rolls. Hey, Holly! Okay, opo. Good girl. Yung, nakain niya na yung isa. Upo, ha? O, tap for mama. Give me the sticker. Alright. Mommy just gonna remove this bubble. Oh, yucky, this one. Yucky. It's just gonna, this one. Just this one. Okay, you can eat now. Ayan. Just upo, okay? Sit down. Good girl. Sa pantry. So, ayan. Dito yung mga snacks ng kids. So, may drinks pa kami doon, guys, kasi hindi na kasya sa ref. Lollies and bikis, chips, and more chips and chocolates. Ayan, and then lollies. So, yun lang. Ano pa ba? Andyan yung gatas ni Holly. So, ngayon, napakita ko na yung laman ng ref namin, tsaka yung pantry. Ngayon naman, eto naman, aayusin natin to dito sa kwarto. Pasok tayo sa kwarto namin. Holly, come here! So, ayusin lang natin to. And, mag-unpack na tayo nito. Unpack time! Good girl, Holly. Holly, say hi! Say hi! Hi! Unpack na natin yung laman nito. Sandali lang, guys, kasi parang ano naman ito. Ang init. Ibaba natin siya ng konti. Ayan. Okay, maliwanag pa naman siya. So, ipatong na lang natin yung luggage dito. Kasi hindi naman ito magagamit dito. Pailawan nga natin. Patong natin dito. So, ayan. Parang madilim. Isa natin itong konti. Ayan. Holly, say hi. Say hi. Kita niyo ba? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. So, ayan guys. Ayan si Holly. Binihisan ko na siya ng pang-swimming kasi pagkatapos ko mag-unpack, magsiswimming kami. Ito yung akin. Ilagay ko siya dito. Come on, Baba. Here. Sa kids. Dito na lang sila. Diyan. Wala mo, ipatong-patong ko lang siya guys. Kasi pag gusto nila, diba, pag kukuha ko ng damit, ito lang, hahablutin ko lang to, kukunin ko lang to, tapos yan. Ito na yung akin. Tapos kunin ko yung damit nila. Ito pa yung nila kuya. What's that, Baba? Wait. Wait, Papa. That's it, guys. Tapos, pakita ko sa inyo yung kung saan ko sila linagay. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung akin tsaka kay Jan. Akin pala to. Ito yung kay Jan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan. And ito yung, ano ba to? Underwears ng mga bata. Underwears. Tapos, ito yung mga gamit din ng mga bata. So, yeah. Yung makeup ko tsaka yung toilet kit, andun. Ayan. So, tada! Diba? Pinadali yung buhay ko ng cubes organizer. Hey, Holly, come here! Hoy, don't shoot! Come here! Mommy, fix it. Come on. Come on. Gusto niyo mag-swimming, guys. Come on, Apa. Please. Please, say hi to everyone, no? Come on. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Sorry. Di ba magsiswimming kami? Hinahanapan ko si Holly ng damit niya. Nakalimutan ko, guys. Nandito pala yung yung laman nito, yung damit ni Holly pala. Nandito, tsaka yung laptop. Ayan. Ito pa pala, may isa pa, Holly. Yung damit mo nandito. Yes! Ayan, tapos yung laptop ko nandito, guys. Ayan. So, yun. That's it. Okay? Okay. Nahubaran ka na naman. Diba? Very organized, guys. So, yun. Let's go. Magsiswimming na kami, guys. Come on, Holly. Let's go. We're gonna go swimming. Come on, let's go.